If you're considering growing cannabis at home for the first time, there are a few key factors to keep in mind to ensure success. To begin, select high-quality seeds from a reputable source. Once you have your seeds, determine the best growing environment for your plants, considering factors such as temperature, humidity, and lighting. Next, germinate your seeds by placing them in a damp paper towel until they sprout. After germination, transfer the seeds to a growing medium, such as soil or hydroponics, and provide ample nutrients and water. As your plants grow, be vigilant for common issues like nutrient deficiencies, pests, and diseases, and address them promptly. Finally, when your plants reach maturity, it's time to harvest by cutting and drying the buds. Throughout the growing process, it's important to research and educate yourself on best practices to avoid common mistakes that can hinder your plant's growth. With dedication and attention to detail, you can successfully cultivate cannabis at home and enjoy a bountiful harvest.